Tara, I got this huge box from SKIN1004 yesterday, and I can't wait to share everything with you. So while you're doing my hair, I get to show you. This is quick calming toner pads.
Nice.
So it's a big container, and the toner pads you can lay on if you need some extra hydration, extra support, or you can just use it to wipe off, and it gives the right amount of what you need. I love toner pads. And those ones are really awesome. Here is Probiotica Enrich Cream. Just the way it sounds, this better be thick and rich and luxe, and I can't wait to try it. Soothing Cream. So they all have the centella in it, and that's really soothing. Centella asiatica from Madagascar. Madagascar.
Oh, is that a Disney movie?
No, it's the other. Probiotica Essence Toner. Oh, this I did use last night. Tea Tree Spot Cream. Because I've got these couple little pimples. So I got it out and I used it.
Shout out Living Proof.
And it feels really good. Why do you put it on like that? And it smells good. It smells like tea tree. Do you smell my cheek?
Yeah. I smell the Living Proof right now, but yeah.
I got these spot cover patches. 22 of them in there. I like having those. This you should recognize. This is the Poromizer Quick Play Stick Mask. It's that little pink mask we used while we were up in North Carolina. Here is the Probiotica Eye Cream.
Nice.
Right, and they have different sets how they want me to do them, so I figure I'll go through and figure out the sets and then unbox everything. Here is a Poromizing Deep Cleansing Foam. I'm so excited to open that up and see what that looks like. And try it. A toning toner.
Cool. I like toning toners.
Alright.
Nothing like 2 toners in one.
Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. I love their ampules. They're little jars with stuff in them. And they're really good. Another ampule. And another ampule. This is the Poromizing Fresh Ampule. So we have to have fun with the ampules. And that's like a serum, but better. Poromizing Clear Toner. And then we have 1, 2, and 3. This is one of their newer products out. And they have it for Matrixyl 10%, niacinamide 10%, and retinol 0.2% in their spicule serum. So the spicule is in with the serum, so it's supposed to help penetrate deeper and do better. So the niacinamide is to help like brighten your complexion and shrink your pores.
Yeah.
The retinol is to help cellular turnover. And the Matrixyl is to plump your skin. So you put it on your skin that needs plumping. Poromizing Light Gel Cream. Probiotica Intensive Ampule. Another ampule. And this one's intensive. Ampule Foam. An ampule foam. And we have a cleansing foam. Those are going to be so much fun. I like cleansing oil. And I have used that before. It's good. And then we got this little travel kit. How fun would this have been while we were gone? And in here is the cleansing oil, the ampule foam, the toning toner, the ampule, and the soothing cream. So everything all in one. And that's what they sent me to try and to see how I like it.
I like it.
Right?
Lots of stuff.